Hello and welcome to On the Road Again. Today we're going to be working on a 2015 Dodge Journey. We're going to be putting a brand new starter on this thing. We like to get straight to the point, so let's get started. First thing you're going to need is a 15 millimeter to remove these grounds. You pull off this first one. And there's going to be the second one behind it. That's going to disconnect your power supply. Just simply use something to cover it up so it don't make connection. That back one's going to be a little bit of pain. Just take your little screwdriver and work her off. We don't want these touching. Okay, now we want to get underneath of the car. You're going to want to have the car jacked up on one side like that and a second jack for the support, for transmission cross member support. So let's get under here with the light. We are working with gravel today, so it makes it a little more difficult, but that's okay. We have to deal with the elements. First thing we're going to do is take off these 4 bolts in the back. They're going to be 16 millimeter. Pay attention because there's one shorter one in the back. I'm going to take off this one right here. That one right there. So those are all the 15s. Then you're going to want to take an 18 millimeter. Take off these 2 right here. Slide this up out your way. Alright, next you are going to want to take off this motor mount bracket here. We're going to use some swivels. Be 15 millimeter, should be 1, 2. We're going to use a 15 shallow. Right, I can use a ratchet wrench. So there's gonna be 16, it looks like. one's loose. There's gonna be one more right there. Another one up top. Might be two more up top. We're gonna get I need that green electric ratchet.
In this box?
No, the electric ratchet, the green one. While she's getting that, I'm gonna go ahead and get set up for this other one. I'm setting. That one out. Okay, now time for my extension. Do a long back extension. Yeah.
Is it out in the truck?
Yeah, it's out of the truck. Oh, there it is. Sorry, this gravel is making this a little difficult, y'all. But we're gonna get it. Alright, now we're gonna get this one. I might have to use a downsizer on my stronger ratchet. We'll see. Alright, let's see what we do. Take that down. Now we're gonna have two bolts for the starter itself right here. Should be a 15 mil. Let's see. There's one. I'm gonna go ahead and there's a second one. We got a little snap we gotta take loose. There's gonna be a little bit of tight play right here. Okay, we're gonna have to take loose this exhaust right here, right there at the piece. It's a little tight, but we're gonna use, this one bolt here is gonna be the tightest one. Okay, let's go ahead and get my little stubby wrench and take off that power. The 13 or 12. Damn it, man.
What do you need?
It's just uncomfortable. I think this is the one you gotta take the exhaust off. fucking definitely 13. Fuck. See if it's still showing on my phone.
Sure. Where's it showing out on the bench?
I don't know. Might be on top of the car.
Yeah, it's still showing. Oh, there it goes now. Fucking awkward ass spot. My neck's getting sore, man. Do you want to use the cardboard box?
I'm good, man. It's just this it feels disgusting doing this with this gravel.
Okay, we're gonna have to take loose the, I'll get that bolt loose. We're gonna take loose that Cadillac converter. This is that one. Fuck, man. I thought this was a different one. You know that?
Really?
Yeah, I underpriced it and everything.
You underpriced it?
Hell yeah, I did. I've done this one so many times, I know better, man. There's two of them that are kind of alike. I get them mixed up sometimes. You can't get this one out without this exhaust being moved. Oh no, I got it.
You got the starter?
Yeah, I got it out. I fished it up. Sorry, y'all. I thought it was the other stuff. As you can see, you can fish it out. I was going to have to take this Cadillac converter off.
There you go.
It's going to go in one particular way, though. So we are going to, since we know this is going to be kind of a pain, we're going to put this on first. And we'll find out the little secret trick. 'Cause it can only go on, barely fits in there. That's good. There she go. Oh, fish it back up and have it. Line up your little tab. You want to line up right there. You want to get the two starter bolt starter.
You don't want it?
Maybe at the end. Thank you, though. Alright, want to get this. Started, get the other one started. No, this ain't the bolt because it's 15 mil. Got mixed up with the other bolt. That's the bolt. Can you still see it good? tighten it real tight, yeah, just in case we have problems getting this power bolt started. I think we should though.
The AC compressor estimate is at the house.
Tell him the key is in the hose reel box. Put the hose reel box open.
Slide up so you're stopping.
Yeah. Man, come on, man. Yeah, I had a feeling he was gonna come by. Dang it, man. So it's kind of difficult to put that power wire on it, but as you can see, it's doable. It helped to have a little 13 stubby wrench to get it nice and tight. That's it. Alright, now we want to go ahead and crank these, get these nice and tight. Good and tight. Let the journalist say good and tight. didn't take. Let's not skip a beat. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy right back up in there. Get we got a little swivel back. You know, I'm laying in gravel, there's something biting my legs. But guess what? I'm about to be done with this starter. I thought it'd be important to make this video because I seen one that somebody else did earlier, and they took off a whole bunch of extra stuff that obviously I didn't take off. You getting a good view of it?
Yeah. There was a couple times that you couldn't see your arm was in or something, but overall it's a good view.
Yeah. Good and tight. All right, now I'm gonna pull this bad boy back over here. I think. Hold that and place it. Ouch. Get one of these started back here for.
Just a live video.
No. I don't know how to do the live ones yet from the GoPro. It's possible though. Alright, now you want to get your 18. You know, let's get these started. You don't want to get them all the way tight yet because you want to make sure we can line up these 2 bolts. Let's get all these 15s started. Remember the 3 longer ones go right here. Sure, we want to go back here. That all should be 16s. Let's pull all of our tools out. Get up top. Put the skinny one on first. Tighten that one up. Now put that one on. Tighten that one up. This is a true test here. And there you go. That's a starter on a 2015 Dodge Journey. Thank you for joining us. We're going to be putting plenty of content on here this year. We're going to keep it nice and short but sweet. We're not going to ramble on and on. We definitely appreciate you. You all have a blessed day.